he needs is the legs, that's it.
Pretty much. Because I'm watching him eat.
You watch him eat the whole time?
Yeah.
I got nothing to do.
Can you record it, please, Raina? Just make sure you don't touch that button. This one right here.
Tell me, is that a good place?
Yeah, hold on. Focus it. There you go.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Alright, no, you're going out. Alright, here, let me see.
Oh, I'm going out of bounds. That shit looks, oh my god. HD ass shit. It's probably like the best one he ate because the guts. It's probably tasty.
I don't know how he's gonna do that shit.
What, those?
The legs.
This. Go eat it.
Bring him over here.
I'm helping him. Oh.
He's gonna spit it out. Watch.
No, he's not. He's trying to eat it. Oh, you see in his stomach how big it is? Oh, they grow big, my dad said. Like, the guy from work, they seen one, a giant one, like, big. And it was fat. You got what you want, Papas? He's crazy. I never seen him eat like that, though. That's how big it is.
This is the sickest shit I've ever done. Look.
That's nasty.
It's funny that when the lizard bit.
Fucking. The lizard bit me?
I gotta show your brother when we get home. When we get home to mom, to our house. You guys gonna be like, tight. That's cool, huh, Brian? That's what he always says. Huh, Brian?
He's tight, huh? You wish you had a snake when you're my age.
Oh, dude, the nails.
Yeah, hit him. Yeah. Who's calling you? How's all looking over there?
Go inside. The dad sees that he's fucking you.
Dude, I'm gonna be right here. And it's his. I'm playing Temple Run.
Really, right now?
Dude, what about the claws? Doesn't that hurt him?
No, I don't know. I always feed him lizards.
Ready, and after I let you know, you're really not gonna fucking make you get inside.
I'm coming. Alright then. You better calm the fuck down. You gotta call my shit. He's done anyways.
No, he's not. The anaconda.
He's a deep throat.
Mm-hmm. Dude, he looks like he's on crack.
Who, Donnie?
Yeah,
No,
he's so
he doesn't.
skinny all of a sudden. Yes, it does. He was
He's
fat.
because he works out now. Like, runs and shit. He doesn't even smoke weed no more. Dude, you should have seen BK ass. I have 6 friends of his. That's really good for me.
Imagine just stop right there, like you wanna spits it out.
Throws it up. That
Well,
shit's
what if-
happened.
Or what if the snake just pops? The stomach pops.
Well, that would suck. I would have it on camera though. You know, just a normal day. Snake chilling, eating his lunch. It's done, pretty much. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was what a show. Thank you for letting us
Yeah, they got
witness your greatness.
They got 23 likes on this. Daddy and Donnie, look at 23 likes. He's getting Facebook famous, Donnie. He's done?
Yeah. Is he gonna do something like after?
No.
Yeah, it's called taking a shit.
That's all.
He doesn't like stretch his mouth or nothing?
Fuck, I never seen his stomach that huge.
Let me see. So
Take a
show
picture.
our subscribers. Look at that stomach, yo. Alright, well,
Good day in LA.
Ryan's out, Raymond's out, I'm out. Good. It's a good day in LA.